Hello class. I've gotten a couple of emails regarding part of your week 2 assignment. So I pulled it up here. This is the week 2 agenda, and step number 2 talks about creating your TPACK page in your own Google site portfolio. And there were some questions about the second bulleted item about including at least one picture or a multimedia element. And that refers to a one picture of illustrating TPACK or a multimedia element of TPACK. So there are a couple things that you can do with this. So I'm going to show you a couple options. One of the options is if you go and click on your TPACK assignment in the left sidebar, you'll see here that under step number 2 you can watch a TPACK video. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the TPACK, it's a flash animation. If you just went up here and highlighted up here the URL, and then just did Control C to copy it if you're on a PC, and then went ahead and went back to, hold on one moment. Okay, and then went to your personal Google site and click on your TPACK link on your left sidebar, and then go ahead and go up in here to Edit Page. You can go ahead and just include the link, and I've done that here. I said to see an overview of the TPACK process, click here, and so I went ahead and I highlighted the word here. I clicked link, I clicked the web address, and then I went ahead and just did Control V, which is to paste that in, and I clicked OK. And so that will link you to that flash animation, and you can include that in your page. The other example that I did here was I actually just saved an image from a web page. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull up my web browser, and you can do this. Okay, you can just go to your search engine. You can type in TPACK in here, and it'll pull up quite a few links. And I'll just click on the very top link. It will take me out to actually the tpack.org site. And you'll see this image here. Usually you can right-click on an image on a website. So I'm going to right-click, and you can save the image as. And then you can go ahead and you can just save that to your desktop or wherever you'd like to. And make sure though that if you're going to take something from a website, you need to make sure you cite it correctly. And you're going to learn about that in week 2. You'll have a copyright assignment. It'll also show you how to properly cite things, particularly images off the internet. So make sure that you do that properly, and I'll be looking at those citations when I pull up your TPACK page, so be very careful about citing those correctly, okay? Alright, so I went ahead and did that, so I'm going to go back to my personal Google site, and I've already inserted this picture, but I'll show you how that's done if you've forgotten. I think that you did this for in your week 1, but you go into, you'll have to edit your page, and I am in edit mode. I know that again because I have a save and a cancel button here. I'm going to click Insert Image. Okay, and then I've already uploaded this image, but you would go ahead here and browse, and you just upload that image, and then once you've uploaded it, you click OK right here. I'm not going to do that, but and then the image should pop up here. So that's a way that you can either include an image or a multimedia element like the animation file to your TPACK page, and I hope that's helpful.